guys, it's Michelle. We're gonna break down Pigeon today and try and make it as simple as possible. So you'll want to bring one leg forward. I'll bring my left leg forward and my right leg all the way back behind me. So from here, we always used to say to bring that front shin as parallel to the front of the mat as possible, but people started to tweak out their knees. So you're gonna go as far as you can while it still feels comfortable in the body, just making sure that you find a stretch in that outer left hip. Okay, that's really the ultimate goal, is just to get a stretch here, whether that means your leg is parallel to the front of the mat or all the way in, right? Either way is totally fine. It just depends on how you feel it in your body, okay? Now, traditionally, you're going to just draw that left hip back, right hip forward, take a nice big inhale as you lift, and as you exhale, slowly release down. Once you're down, I'm a big fan of letting my head rest, whether it's on the ground, on a block, maybe on your hands, right? That way you can release into the pose and breathe comfortably. Now, option number 2, if this pose becomes really difficult in the hips, which it is for most people, and let's say the foot is back here and this left hip is hiking up a lot, you'll fill in that space with a block. Or if you don't have a block, again, you can use a towel, and then from there, allowing the body to release down. Take some pressure out. The other option is more of a yin option. You're actually gonna sit all the way down onto that left hip, and then both knees are at 90 degrees. And then the options from here are either forward folding, maybe walking the hands a little bit over to the left, or walking the body a little bit over to the right. Again, the focus is always going to be that outer hip of whichever leg is in front. And as long as you're feeling it there, you're doing it right. Hope that helps. Have a great day. Namaste.